Hello and welcome to SkyNotes. Here's a quick tour for the instructor user. This means you have registered as an instructor and you have students who have registered as well. This is the instructor profile. Now navigate to the left and we'll click on the student link. Here on the My Student page you can see your students' lessons, tasks, requirements, endorsements, and actions. Here you have the option to send invites via email. Now if we navigate to the top navigation bar, you can access your lessons. Click Lessons. Here you're given a list view of all lessons. Here we have a legend saying which lessons have been requested, scheduled, which ones need grading, which have been completed, as well as any lessons that were from a different instructor. To schedule a new lesson at any time, all you have to do is click Schedule a Lesson. Now just enter the date and time, what student the lesson will be for, and any additional notes. Then just click Schedule Lesson. Notice that we have a lesson here that our student has scheduled. You can see that it's requested. Here we can either confirm or reschedule the lesson. You'll notice that some of these lessons are highlighted in red. This indicates that one or more tasks have been marked as unsatisfactory. To get more information on that lesson, all you have to do is click on the lesson. Now, moving to sorting by student, you can filter by student using that drop-down menu and clicking on the student you want to see. There's also a logbook view available with IACRA totals. We can also create a lesson. All you do is add the important information for the lesson. Our system uses a three-stage program. Our maneuvers and procedures are from the Federal Aviation Regulations Part 61 and Airman Certification Standards. The three stages are pre-solo and solo, night flight and cross-country flight, and test preparation. There is also an aeronautical knowledge topic. The topics in that section are from the Federal Aviation Regulations Part 61-105, and the section is used to prepare students for the FAA Aeronautical Knowledge Test. In addition to that, to help students prepare, SkyNotes also includes access to a free online ground school course. Now once you pick a stage, you can see there are various tasks. Tasks are located here. Click to bring them to the right menu. If you don't want to do a task, click on the task on the right and it will be moved back to the left. You can also add lesson notes and media, and you have the option to add any available extra resources from your resource library. Click Save Lesson, and now it's ready for your student to view. Once you're ready to grade a lesson, click Grade. In the grading layout, you'll be able to choose between two grading systems, a number-based grading system or satisfactory and unsatisfactory. Additional task information for the student to view is located here, as well as the Airman Certification Standards task sheet. You have the option to mark all tasks as satisfactory, or you can go in detail and mark each task individually. When you click on the detailed view, we see that this student has one or more tasks that has been marked as below average or unsatisfactory, which is why we saw it was highlighted in red earlier. Here you can modify flight time and add additional lesson notes. Click Save. When you click Save Lesson Information, a signature box is going to pop up. You can either sign with your mouse on a computer or sign with your finger or stencil on an iPhone or tablet. Now your lesson has been graded. If you want to view your signatures for past lessons, all you have to do is go to the logbook view, and there you have your past lessons with signatures. The Tasks screen gives you an overall view of tasks, sorted by student. View all the items that are satisfactory in green, unsatisfactory in red, or in progress in yellow. You can also filter by task. Now moving to requirements. All our requirements are from the Federal Aviation Regulations Part 61. We have student requirements and private requirements. You can sign off on requirement completion by entering the date and checking complete and clicking update. Requirements that are incomplete have a gear symbol, and the ones that are complete have an airplane symbol next to them. Now, moving to the endorsements view. The FAA endorsements have the same type of legend as the last screen. The incomplete ones will have a gear symbol, and completed endorsements will have an airplane symbol. Here we can see the different categories for FAA regulations. You can also add test results for the aeronautical knowledge test. You can see the result here, the exam ID, and date. Just click Add Endorsement to save. Again, once you've finished the endorsement, you're going to be asked to sign to save it. To view your CFI records, in accordance with the Federal Aviation Regulations, instructors must keep a variety of records, including endorsements and test results for their students. That can all be found here. Lastly, you have a resource library. Here, you can see various resources compiled for you to use. You can also add more resources to the library. Enjoy using SkyNotes!